Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back again. CampingFamily here. We are in late September, mid-September. Rig is pulled out. It is time to wash. Oh yes, it is time to wash. And I must say, this is the first time I washed it this year. Unfortunately, this is the first time. Normally I've gotten in probably 3 or 4 washes by now, and it is definitely showing not a lot of bugs, because we've only been out twice because of COVID. But that's what happened. COVID hit this year, and we just we hunkered down. It was just the thing for us to do, just for everybody to be safe, unfortunately. But yeah, usually I've gotten in 3 washings. So we're going to wash the rig. Puts a nice little coat of wax on. I use blue coral, and I love that stuff. That stuff's cheap. Get it at Walmart. Looks amazing when it's on there. And we'll go from there. What you see is just some little flakes. I don't think I even camped out in the rain. Bird droppings. So that's the plan. That is the plan. So we're gonna use the foam cannon, which is my method of washing. If you've never tried to use a foam cannon, oh boy. Foam cannon and the power washer. That is how you get these big jobs done. Plenty of videos out there on how to use them. You can cover a big area quick with a foam cannon, and it does a great job. So on that note, we're going to fire it up and start washing. Well, you saw it before. I'll do a post afterwards. We'll go from there. Shouldn't take long. It takes about an hour. To be honest, it takes about an hour. Might take a little longer with some of the dried on goop, but I need to go get my extension pole with my microfiber, which should be right inside here. Then again, I haven't washed since last year, so who knows where everything's ended up. Oh, here we go. There's the pole. There's the microfiber pole. I was going to get a new pole because this one is not great. So what I do first, I just use the power washer to rinse it down first. I use the kind of the medium spray nozzle. I stay back a ways. This nozzle I use, you could actually touch it. It doesn't hurt you. So nothing real fine and powerful. We'll get the dirt off. Spray on the blue coral with the power washer. Use the microfiber to brush it down. Rinse, lather, repeat. It's pretty much the routine, and we'll knock it out. Alright, stay tuned. Post video coming up. Yes, a clean rig. Let's take a look around. Obviously it's time to do windows. That's what happens when you have minerals in your water. Good news is everything is clean. Look at this shiny clean over here. Just washed. Look at that shine. Everything is looking fantastic. Just going to go around and do the windows inside and out. It does wash up nice. I'll do love full body paint. Always looks nice. Shot of the back. Oh yeah, nothing like a clean rig. Alright, well thanks for stopping by. Hope everyone's enjoying themselves. See you on the next one.